Hello students, welcome to class. Today we are here on Instagram. I want you to follow me there, don't forget, and also subscribe to me here so that you don't miss anything going forward, and press the notification bell. Today we're looking at a video by PETA. This means People for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. Don't forget to follow them too. What we're looking at here is footage that somebody filmed who was working at a slaughterhouse. This is in the United States in Kentucky.
I do the grinder.
These are pigs who are just thrown aside, tortured. These pigs want to live as much as cats and dogs do. Nobody needs to eat bacon, sausage, or ham. Nobody needs to eat pepperoni or salami.
Buy in a blender the size of a small apartment.
A blender the size of a small apartment. This former JBS slaughterhouse worker is speaking out. These are some of the videos he filmed. You know, it's really important that we watch these videos, even though it's extremely painful. We have to know what's going on. We have to be brave enough to face the truth, to face the victims, and to be there for their suffering, to tell their stories.
I always kind of freaked out because I don't know if he's still alive.
Yes, he is. They're still alive. Imagine if this was your cat or your dog. Animals feel pain just like us. They want to live just like us. They want freedom. They don't deserve this. They've done nothing wrong.
I've been feeling pain. That happened at least once a week. I always asked, hey, it's still alive? And they said, no, don't worry about it. Nervous reaction. The idea was to send these videos to upper management, telling him, hey, we're going to have an issue.
This is absolutely horrible. There's no right way to do the wrong thing. It doesn't matter how you slaughter them, how dirty the place is. It's just not okay. Animals have a right to live and they deserve a Bill of Rights. You don't have to eat them. You can help to share my video right now with somebody who doesn't yet know. That's how you can help.
With the USDA or something. You have no idea how many fines JP is getting on. $20,000 fine, $50,000, they don't care, they pay it and they keep going.
They just keep getting more and more fines and they don't care because they make so much money. $4 million. And they're also breaking child labor laws.
They treat us like disposable people. Within the first 6 months working there, you're gonna start having health issues, especially.
Oh my goodness. They don't care about people, animals. What happens to people that kills their souls like this? But that also leads me to think about you in the comment sections. What happens to you to make you be so cruel to animals and also those who defend them? Have you no compassion? Have you never felt pain? Has our world really truly desensitized everybody with so much violence in video games? And everywhere you look? Do you really not feel? And why is it that vegans get it? What is different about us? To us vegans, we're just normal. This is atrocious. This should be illegal. It should be absolutely illegal to hurt animals. Unless it is in self-defense, they are attacking us in the same way that a human would.
In the department that I was working, rendering, where they send everything that they don't want, like guts, we turn it into pet food, lard.
Pet food. They turn this into pet food. You have a cat? Do you have a dog? Would you ever feed them a dead animal that was surrounded by disease? Dogs and cats can be vegan. It has been proven. What they need is protein. They need nutrients like vitamins and minerals, but it doesn't have to come from a dead body. Go ahead and Google vegan pet food. My dog Bella has been vegan now since August 2017. She's over 10 years old. She's a medium to large sized dog and she's normal. Nobody can tell that she's vegan. So why would you pay for murder? So many murdered animals for your one dog if you don't have to, or even for yourself.
And blood meal, I'm pretty sure we're sending a lot of pathogen to the city.
10,000 pigs are murdered each day. Can you picture a stadium? Have you ever gone to a concert and seen 10,000 seats? 10,000 innocent animals. The amount of screaming and sheer agony that occurs behind closed doors is excruciating. It is just so evil and so wrong. And the fact that people hide that from us. Every school should be teaching students exactly what happens, and every school should be vegan, in fact. Nobody should be bringing dead animals under the roof of a school. The door should be, as soon as you walk in the door, that you're not allowed to bring anything that's death into your lunchbox. Nobody in this cafeteria should be selling any dead animals or stolen milk or stolen eggs. It is so easy to have a vegan world. It's there. All you have to do is want it. Fight for it. Tell the truth. Make sure you share this video right now. If you haven't yet done so, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Press the notification bell. Help me get these innocent animals out of hell. I think I've seen enough for now. It's really sad. Please be vegan from now on.